Welcome back to Tech Talk with Tad and Tam.
That's Tad.
And that's Tammy. And we love Talkin Tech. You know, we're super lucky and pumped to be joined today by the TiLED Solution Services team from Chief. Well, right now, it's time for a segment we call Tweet Bag. Where our AV Mount Curious fans have tweeted questions to the TiLED Solution Services team, and we'll get a few answers. So, let's talk tech tweets. You all ready, team?
Yeah!
Tweet bag.
Tweet number one is from Aaron Burrific38. They ask, do you have a website and an email address?
We do. It's av.signage@legrand.com.
Okay,
you can, you can find that on our landing page for the TiLED Solution Services under Tools and Training at our webpage, legrandav.com.
So if you went to the internet where all of you go because you are watching us, there would be a website and an email.
And an email on the interwebs, right.
Thank you so much.
Oh, my pleasure.
That was a great answer, not Wade Boggs.
Incredible.
At Spooktober14 asks, hey, I've been in the AV game for a long time, but I need some help building the bill of materials for my TiLED dvLED walls. How will TiLED Solution Services help me?
That's a big one.
If you go to the website, legrandav.com,
which you have,
you're going to find Mount Finder, and you're going to use it just like you normally would. It's compatible with displays and projectors and now LED displays. You put in your manufacturer, your series model, and you're going to get compatible products. You can take that a step further and download our TiLED configurator and build a bill of materials based on your rows and columns. So you can put in the height and the width of your configuration. You'll get the list of products you need to order. And we also have trim kits. You're going to get everything you need in a nice, easy package, ready to order.
So you are taking care of it.
That was amazing. Let's slow clap for Luke. That was honest to God, the best answer I've ever heard.
We're kind of fast clapping because you're that excited.
Yeah.
So I will tell you this Mount Finder, y'all. I just spent time last night just putting in LEDs just to see, and every time there was a mount found. Okay,
that's what we do. It's our date night.
It was date night. All right. At Mark Crushalow asks, we need help with a personalized design consultation. Is that something you can do?
Are you Mark Crushalow?
Don't talk about it.
Anybody, can you answer that question for us?
Whole console.
I got it. All right, Mark. We got a couple options here. We'll consider a charcuterie board.
Ooh, yeah.
We've got assisted services, maybe just a meat and cheese plate. Just something real simple. I just have a couple questions. Pick up the phone, call us. We'll help you. We'll guide you through your process. Or maybe you need a little bit more help. You need one of the experts. You need a Jeff or a Mike or a Luke because you don't really know what you're doing. Do you need some personalized design?
Yeah.
Expanded services. That's where you add in your fig dip and your olives and all of those other goodies in your charcuterie plate. 2 options. Assisted or expanded.
Great answer. Yes. Okay. Now here's a tough hypothetical just from up here in my little brain Twitter. Okay. Let's say I am opening a doggy daycare called Bark Ruffalo.
That's a perfect name.
Perfect name for one. And I need just like a lot of direct view LED displays in the lobby, like a lot of them, but I just have no idea how to start, finish, or any of the parts in between. Could you help me in that scenario?
Big dreams, not a lot of knowledge.
Big dreams, little knowledge.
We do have the solution for you there. Our amplified services would be the best possible choice for Bark Ruffalo. Michelle kind of walked you through the charcuterie, the appetizer portion of this. And when you want to install a lot of the direct view LED, you really need an entree size portion of our services to come out and assist you with that. We have the customized capabilities. Our engineered solutions team is ready to turn your dreams into product realities. And we also offer labor assistance in each of the major markets, including in union labor sites.
Labor assistance. So you could actually help me get them all up there in a very, very large display, just like all of them.
Absolutely. And we could customize that. We could create mosaics for you. Whatever your brand image is that you'd like to present, we would love to help you with the infrastructure solution up into the installation portion.
Amazing.
Tweet bag.
Thanks for all of your help, TiLED Solution Services team. And thanks to our amazing viewers for sending us the tech questions. They were amazing.
So good. And don't worry, because we've got more to come. We're not done yet with these geniuses, all right? We're going to have a little fun with them coming up next, and we're going to test their mount knowledge, which does run deep, so don't go away.